Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over something called internal and external JavaScript. Now, that may sound a little confusing at first, but let me explain. So internal JavaScript is JavaScript that is done inside of the file. So index.html is not technically a JavaScript file. Index.html is just an HTML file. However, I can still use JavaScript within this file when I declare the opening and closing script tags. But what if I need to do a lot of JavaScript and I don't want internal JavaScript? Well, I can put the JavaScript in a separate file. So if we go over here and we make a new file and we call it scripts.js. Now the .js stands for, you got it, JavaScript. So now what I can do is I can take this code right here. I'm going to do a Control X. If you're on a Mac, it should be a Command X, and then paste it over here. So Windows, it's Control V. Mac, it should be a Command V. I believe Linux is Control V as well. Now, one thing you're going to notice here is I did not put an open and close JavaScript tag. The reason for that is that I don't have to within the .js file. Okay, so we're going to save that file. Now, how do we get that file inside the HTML file here? Well, it's actually quite simple. So we're going to still have an open and close script tag. But inside the open script tag, we're going to put src, which equals source. And then we're going to put scripts.js. Now, one thing you need to pay attention to here was if you had a separate folder within here called scripts or JS or whatever, then you would have to put that folder here. So it might be something like JS/. But because we have scripts in the same folder as the file, we're just putting scripts.js. Now, if we save that and we hit refresh, you'll notice nothing changed. The reason for that is because we're still running the JavaScript. It just happens to be that we're running it in this external file. And to prove that, what I'm going to do is put console.log. This is external JavaScript. When I hit refresh, there it is. So we're going to start focusing our JavaScript outside of the HTML file for now. Most of the time when you write JavaScript, that's how it's going to be. There's going to be some times where you just need to do a few lines of code and maybe you'll just throw it in somewhere. But for the most part, you're going to be writing your JavaScript outside of the main file. Okay? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.